What's good, people? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $15 in 10 minutes just like that. So stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $15 every 10 minutes just like that. Now, if you're new to my channel, I make videos that help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So please give me a like if you like what I'm talking about today. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped on my channel. Now, please watch this video to the very end so you can understand how this method works and be able to make as much money as you can with this method by following these steps. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called ClicksFly.com. And what this website does is shorten URL links. But what's different with this site is you can earn money. So it says here, join now and earn on every link you shorten and share up to $150 per 10,000 views. So basically, when you shorten the link and you share it and you get up to 10,000 views, you can get $150. So let's look at the steps you need to take. And you'll create an account, shorten your link, and you earn money. So it says here, how much do I earn? How much can you start making with ClicksFly? It's just 3 steps: create an account, create a link, and post it. For every visit, you earn money. And they also have referral. You get 20% for referring people. And it says here a low minimum payout is $3. And they pay out to PayPal, via PayPal, PayTM, Bitcoin, and many more. All right, let's look through the menu here and see what else we can learn about this site. All right, let's look at the payouts. The payout rate, let's see, its minimum payout is $3. Payment frequency is weekly and monthly. Payment methods, again, is Bitcoin, PayPal, Payoneer, PayTM, or you can do bank transfer. So again, a minimum rate for all countries is $3 CPM. So it's 1,000 per click or per view. So basically, here's all the countries that it serves. So for every 1,000 views, if you live in the United States, you get roughly $14 to $15. And as you can see, here's all the other countries. If you want to learn more about that and see which country if it supports your country, you can read this later. All right, let's go one more place and just go to payment proof. Let's click on PayPal payments. And as you can see, their payout has one for $249. You got $25, $49, $53. So it's a lot of people getting different amounts. Like I said, it depends on how much you share it and the technique that you use to share it to get the most views. All right. So that's it. If you want to learn more, you can go to ClicksFly.com. Now I'm going to show you where you can get a lot of views. I'm going to take you to this website. All right, I'm at this site called Quora. And basically what this site is, it gives answers to people's questions. And also a lot people post a lot of popular subject matters on here that has to do with business or health or fitness, basically anything that you want to learn about. So as you can see here, it has the popular topics at the top: Tesla, Microsoft, celebrities, movies, and let's click here. So a lot of people, they put answers to certain questions. So what you're going to do is two ways you can do this. You can pick a popular subject on here and get the link for it. Go to ClicksFly, shorten it, and then go to Facebook or any other social network and share it and get a lot of views. Or you can click on here, click on one of these other subjects, find the answer for it, and come back, shorten, find the answer somewhere, Google the answer, Google the subject and to find that answer for it, and go to ClicksFly and shorten it, then come back here and post it on here. So that's two ways you can do that and get a lot of views. So that's it. So now you know the method that will make you $15 every 10 minutes. So just make sure you follow this method step by step so you can get the most money as you can from doing this method. We're just doing little to no work at all. All right. Thank you for watching this video to the very end. Now, what I want to talk about is this message that you see at the bottom of the screen. I need you guys' help. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. And yes, I'm going to give away free money once I get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm also going to give away free money once I reach my next milestone. My next milestone I'm trying to reach is 300 subscribers. I'm currently at 239 subscribers. So once I get to 300 subscribers, I'm going to reward a lucky person with $20 cash or $20 Amazon gift card. Now, the way I'm going to reward them is by randomly picking a comment. So you need to drop a comment down in this video and all the videos leading up to my 300 subscribers once I hit it. So all you have to do is just subscribe to this channel if you're new, leave a comment below, and when I pick that comment, randomly pick a comment, I'm going to reward that person with the money or the gift card. It's your choice. All right, that's all I have for today. Please give me a like if you like what I'm talking about. Drop a comment down below so I can give away this free money. Please share this with your friends, family. Share this on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped on my channel, because I make videos like this on a daily basis. All right, that's it. I'm done with this video, but you don't have to leave just yet. You can just watch one of my recommended videos that will give you another method or more methods on making money online. So just go check out my recommended video right after you get your grind on, and grind smart, not hard.